Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In previous video we learned exercise number 2.4 relevant to the chapter number 2 theory of quadratic equation, which were totally related to the roots. So two roots are given and we are going to solve a quadratic equation from that two roots by simplifying sum and product of the roots of the quadratic formula. Today we are going to start exercise number 2.5 theory of quadratic equation, class 10, chapter number 2. First question is use synthetic division to find quotient and remainder are when first polynomial is divided by second polynomial. First part is 3x square plus 2x square minus x minus 1 when we divided this polynomial by x plus 3. Using synthetic division, we solution. First you have to equalize x plus 3 is equal to 0 by solving the value of x, so value of x is minus 3. This is the root of this polynomial. So using synthetic division, minus 3. In synthetic division we write the coefficient step by step. This is x power 3. So the coefficient of x power 3 is 3, coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is negative 1, and the coefficient, this is the constant, this will come down the same. In synthetic division, first number comes down the same, here 3. Then we multiply this with this, it gives us just minus 9. Then we add these two numbers, it gives us minus 7. Then multiply the same minus 3 with minus 7, it gives us 21. Then add 21 with minus 1, it gives us 20. And multiply the same minus 3 with 20, it gives us negative 60. Add minus 60 with minus 1, it gives us minus 61. So minus 61 is our remainder, and we can write this 3 minus 720 is a polynomial 3x square minus 7x plus 20. So this is our quotient, and minus 61 is remainder in case of part 1. Solving part 2, 2x power 4 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. First equalize x plus 2 is equal to 0 for solving the value of x, so x value is minus 2. Minus 2 inside the coefficient of x power 4 is 2, and the coefficient of x power 3, here x power 3 is missing, so the variable which is missing we can write its coefficient equalized to 0, and the coefficient of x square is minus 3, coefficient of x is 5, and minus 7 will come down the same. 2 will come down here, multiply minus 2 with 2, it gives us minus 4, 8 0 minus 4, it gives us minus 4, multiply minus 2 with minus 4, it gives us 8, 8 minus 3 gives us 5, multiply minus 2 with 5, it gives us minus 10, 5 minus 10 gives us minus 5, multiply minus 2 with minus 5, it gives us just 10, 10 minus 7 gives us 3. We can write this just like 2x power 3 minus 4x square plus 5x minus 5. This is our remainder, and 3 is actually our, this is coefficient, this is quotient, and 3 is actually our remainder. Move to question number 2. Use synthetic division to find value of k if minus 2 is 0 of polynomial x raised to power 3 plus 4x square plus kx plus 8. Solution. Taking the given polynomial x raised to power 3 plus 4x square plus kx plus 8. Minus 2 is actually the root to the given polynomial. So minus 2 inside we are left with x power 3 coefficient is 1, 1. For x coefficient is 4, x coefficient is k. And at last the coefficient 8 will comes down the same. Comes down 1 here the same. Minus 2 multiply 1 gives us minus 2. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. And minus 2 multiply 2 gives us negative 4. K minus 4. It multiply minus 2 with k minus 4, it gives us 8 minus 2k. Add 8 with 8 minus 2k, it gives us 16 minus 2k. Equalize 16 minus 2k for 0. Shift minus 2k to the right hand side, so 16 is equal to 2k. Divide both sides with 2. So we are left with k is equal to 8. So at the value of k is equal to 8. So this polynomial will be the 0 of minus 2. Move to question number 3. Find the value of p and q. Find p and q. If x plus 1 and x minus 2 are factors of polynomials given, which is x power 3 plus px square plus qx plus 6. Solution. Equalize x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is minus 1. First root is x is equal to negative 1. Equalize x minus 2 is equal to 0. So then second root will be x is equal to 2. These are the two roots to the given polynomial x power 3 plus px square plus x plus 6. Take x power 3 plus px square plus qx plus 6 and apply the synthetic division formula here. First take minus 1. Here we do not take x power 3 plus px plus 6. We are here taken the coefficient. Coefficient of x power 3 is 1. X coefficient is p. X coefficient is q. And 6 will come down the same. 1 will come down the same. Minus 1 multiply 1 gives us minus 1. P minus 1. Multiply minus 1 is p minus 1, it gives us 1 minus p. Q minus p plus 1 multiply minus 1 with q minus p plus 1, it gives us p minus q minus 1. Add 6 with p minus q minus 1, it gives us p minus q. 6 minus 1 plus 5. Then take the second root 2. Apply the synthetic division formula. 1 is come down the same. 2 multiply 1 gives us 2. So p plus 1. 2p plus 2. So 2p minus p gives us p. And plus k will come down the same. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. This is the remainder here. Equalize p minus q plus 5. This is the remainder. Equalize it to 0. And also equalize p plus q plus 3 is also the remainder. It equalize equal to 0. P plus q plus 3 is equal to 0. For solving the value of p and q simultaneously. Shift plus 5 to the right hand side, so p minus q will be equal to minus 5. And here shift plus 3 to the right hand side, so p plus q will be equal to negative 3. Adding this equation with this equation. So this equation will come down here, so p plus q is equal to minus 3. Add q will cancel out with negative q. P plus p gives us 2p. Minus 5 minus 3 gives us minus 8. Divide with both sides with 2. So the value of p will be equal to negative 4. Putting the value of p is equal to negative 4 here. So q will be equal to minus 3. P will shift to the right hand side, becomes negative p. So negative p is minus 4. Solving for q, so minus minus gives us 4 and 4 minus 3 gives us 1. So the value of q is 1 and the value of p is negative 4. Move to question number 4. Question number 4 is same like question number 3, but the variable here is changes. If x plus 1 and x minus 2 are factors x raised power 3 plus ax square plus bx plus 2. Use synthetic division, find a and b. Find a and b. Solution. Taking x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x will be equal to negative 1. Put x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x will be equal to 2. These are the two roots. Taking the x power 3 plus ax square plus bx plus t. Using synthetic division, the coefficient of x power 3 is 1 and x coefficient is a, x coefficient is b, and 2 comes down the same. Taking first roots minus 1, 1 will come down the same. Minus 1 multiply 1 gives us minus 1, a minus 1. Minus 1 multiply a minus 1 gives us 1 minus a. And b minus a plus 1. Multiply minus 1 with a, b minus a plus 1, it gives us a minus b minus 1, a minus b minus 1. A2 with a minus b minus 1, it gives us a minus b plus 1. Take the second root 2. 1 will comes down the same. 2 multiply 1 gives us 2. A plus 1, 2a plus 2. 2a minus a gives us a, and b will comes down the same, and 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Equalize a minus b plus 1 to 0. Shift plus 1 to the right hand side, so a minus b is negative 1. And here a plus b plus 3 is equal to 0. Shift 3 to the right hand side, it becomes a plus 3 is equal to negative 3. Add a plus b minus 3 with this equation. A plus b is equal to minus 3. Minus b will cancel out with b, and a plus a gives us 2a, and here minus 3 minus 1 gives us minus 4. Divide both sides with 2, so the value of a will be minus 2. For the value of a is equal to minus 2 here, so b will be equal to minus 3. A will shift to the right hand side, becomes minus time of a, and a is minus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 gives us b is equal to negative 1. So the value of a is minus 2 and the value of b is minus 1. Move to question number 5. One root of a cubic equation. One root of a cubic equation. X raised power 3 minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0 is 3. Use synthetic division, find other roots. Solution. Take the given polynomial, given equation x power 3 minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Using synthetic division, we can write x power 3. Here x square is missing, so we can write 0x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Using synthetic division, coefficient of x power 3 is 1, coefficient of x square is 0, coefficient of x is minus 7, and minus 6 will come down the same. One root is also given, which is 3. So take here, 1 will come down the same. 3 multiply 1 gives us 3, 3 plus 0 gives us 3, 3 multiply 3 gives us 9, 9 minus 7 gives us 2, 3 multiply 2 gives us 6, so 6 will cancel out with 6, so the remainder is 0. We can write 1, 3, 2 just like x square plus 3x and plus 2 is equal to 0. Using quadratic formula for solving the roots, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b is 3 plus minus under root of b square, so 3 square gives us 9, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 2, so minus 4 multiplied 2 gives us minus 8, whole divided by 2 times of a is 1, so 2. X is equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 8 gives us 1, and under root of 1 is 1 divided by 2. Using the property minus 3 plus 1 over 2, or x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 over 2. Minus 3 plus 1 gives us minus 2, and minus 2 over 2 gives us x is equal to negative 1. This is first root, and the second root will be minus 3 minus 1 gives us minus 4 over 2 gives us just x is equal to negative 2. So we can find the other roots, which is x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to minus 2 using synthetic division. Move to the last question. Last question is actually 6th number question. 6th number question tells that apo minus 1 and 2 are roots of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is x raised power 4 minus 5x raised power 3 plus 3x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Use synthetic division, find other roots. Find other roots using synthetic division. This exercise is totally related with synthetic division. Solution. taking the given equation using synthetic division, coefficient of x power 4 is 1, coefficient of x power 3 is minus 5, coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of x is 7, and last minus 2 will comes down the same. Using taking first root minus 1. 1 will comes down the same minus 1, and minus 1 multiply 1 gives us minus 1, and minus 5 minus 1 gives us minus 6, minus 1 multiply minus 8 gives us 6, and 3 plus 6 gives us 9. Minus 1 multiply 9 gives us minus 9, and 7 minus 9 gives us minus 2, and minus 1 multiply minus 2 gives us just 2. So minus 2 add with 2 gives us 0. Taking the second root 2, which is given, using synthetic division, 1 will comes down the same. 2 multiply 1 gives us 2, 6 minus 6 plus 2 gives us minus 4, minus 2 multiply minus 4 gives us minus 8, and 9 minus 8 gives us just 1. 2 multiply 1 gives us 2. Here minus 2 plus 2 gives us 0. We can write 1 minus 4 1 in the form of quadratic equation. 1 can write be x square minus 4 times of x and plus 1 is equal to 0. Using quadratic formula, here x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. X is equal to b is minus 4, minus into minus 4 gives us 4, plus minus under root of b square minus 4 square gives us 16. Minus 4 times of a is 1 and c also 1, so minus 4. 1 divided by 2 times of a is 1, so 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus under root of 12 divided by 2. We can write 12 as a 2 multiply 3, because 2 multiply 2 gives us 4 and 4 multiply 3 gives us again 12. So we can write it in the form of, also we can write 2 multiply 2 is 2 power 2 multiply 3. So right here x is equal to 4 plus minus under root of 2 power 2 multiply 3 divided by 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus under root of square will cancel out with under root, so 2 will comes out of under root, so inside we are left with just 3 whole divided by 2. Solving here, x is equal to, taking out 2 common from 4 plus minus 2 under root 3, so inside we are left with just 2 plus minus under root of 3, and in denominator we are given with 2 will cancel out with 2, so x is equal to 2 plus minus under root of 3. So these are the two roots which we are going to find using synthetic division. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest and upcoming videos. Thank you.